October 26th. Shore sent me something pretty awesome. According to these two fancy sheets of paper, I am only allowed to show you guys my sweet new hat. But they have something coming, October 26th, and I'm excited to be one of the first people to get it early, so thank you. Nice. So on today's episode of the vlog, we're gonna be headed to a couple places. In fact, one of those places is right here in my home, my basement. Yep, there's a ton of stuff. We're gonna go through it all in this video. So eBay and SneakerCon did a thing. Now, to celebrate and commemorate this thing, which we'll talk about, I need to get some materials. You know when you like pull it and like confetti comes out? Oh, right down here. Yeah. Thank you so much. Thank you. We were also able to find some Pokemon cards, so check out the Pokemon channel. That is booming right now, and there's some new stuff, old stuff. Everybody stay right here, don't move a muscle, man. That's for eBay and SneakerCon. Where'd you just get this?
My wife bought it on eBay.
Sitting in the desk at the SneakerCon office. This was a move, been waiting for it to happen now for the past couple months. It's finally official. So we'll be here on the vlogs making SneakerCon content, etc. It's gonna be a lot of exciting stuff coming up, especially with the new partnership with eBay, so look forward to some content. I think it's time we head home and open up those boxes, huh? All right, guys, well, we have made it to the basement, and it looks like we have a lot of stuff to get open. So we just gotta start. I mean, there's not really a way to do this. I'll be going over why I've had the pairs, what I'll be doing with the pairs that's in these boxes. Furthermore, maybe you guys will learn a thing or two about sneakers and reselling and whatnot, so let's talk about some stuff. First up, got these Laker colorway 9s. They don't fit me anymore, so I gotta go ahead and sell them. And another shoe that we have in this box, some Ultra Boost, the reigning champ, and some custom ones I did. They don't fit me, and also I don't wear Ultra Boost anymore, so you'll be seeing quite a number of Ultra Boosts. We got some Fear 5 SneakerCon legit. They just don't fit me. Another pair of Ultra Boosts right here. And it looks like a ton of clothes. So let's check it out. We got some Kith clothes that don't fit me. I used to wear the hell out of this hoodie and this bomber, so it's kind of sad to see him go, but I just have to make room for the stuff that doesn't fit. Some random assorted Nike clothes and a set of Supreme Life and Death hoodies. With everything going on, I just don't know if that's kind of the message I want to be spreading when I wear my clothes, so I'm gonna sell those pieces. That's why I'm not feeling those two in particular. Looks like some boxed up Air Jordans. Knicks colorway, not really my style on these 5s. These are the Fire Reds from 2013. I'm gonna have to let these ones go too because of the fact that the 2020s came out and the Nike Air just looks a lot better. Right here we have the box for my Supreme Nike SBs, which I'll have to find. Right here looks like we have the Supreme Clarks Wallabies. Not gonna be wearing these either, so I figured why not go ahead and get the sell. Levi 4 pair number 1. I'm just not a fan of denim really and gum bottom stuff, so this is a sneaker that I don't know why I even have in my collection. And I hate to see them go, but the Mason Margielas, what a wild ride. I mean, I bought these, never really wore them, thought I would do a custom on them, and then I saw them at a discount for like $500 less than what I bought them for. So I kind of just don't like these overall. Yeah, what a rant on the Mason Margielas, I know. And another box has been down. Got these in a challenge video. The reason why I got them was pretty much for the challenge, and I just never ended up wearing them. The orange 350s, they're size 9. They're just gonna add to my giant Yeezy pile of, I'm just gonna hold on to them. Just not a fan of, I don't see myself wearing them. No, another sad shoe to see leave the collection, but the KD Weatherman 4s. These things were one of my grails at one point, and it sucks they're an 8.5. Definitely cannot fit them, especially Nike basketball runs a little smaller than the true size. So if I want to get these again, I'm probably going to need a 10. And then lastly, we have some Travis Scott pants that I found that I'm just not going to wear. I know these have skyrocketed as of recently. I think they're up like $100. All right, getting to the boxes down here. I know there's gonna be some good stuff. Next up, a shoe I'm very sad to see leave the collection, my Kobe 3Ds. Nike basketball size 9, just has no room for my collection. The Supreme Air Jordan 14s. I don't know how these things are doing resale wise. I know the retail price was ridiculous, so I'm not expecting great return. A Yeezus shirt, which no longer fits me. This sucks. I wore this thing into the ground. It probably is where the Blazendary logo sort of spawned from, with that Metallica inspired font. A lot of this stuff just doesn't fit. Old Supreme bag. We have a Balmain tee that I never wore that I got on discount, and some DS Supreme items. Yep, I'm selling the Timberland jumpers. When I'm usually selling Air Jordan 1s, it's because I'm not a fan or they don't fit me. I have a lot of Air Jordan 1s. I love some of them. They're staples in my collection. I just can't get behind these. Like, can you guys? I saw when they were matted out, like some customs done. Unfortunately, I have not seen just anybody pull these off in an outfit that I like. Something about the cream on the bottom. I don't know. Man, is anybody doing like trick-or-treating this year? Like, is that even gonna be a thing, guys? All right, and we have a pair of Vans, which they don't fit me, and I definitely got them as part of a challenge. A lot of shoes in this one. Converse right here, not really my style. Not sure why I got them in the first place. I think it was because they were on sale, maybe. Nike Shocks, they don't fit me, which sucks because I definitely bought them to wear them. Empty phone box, so pairs around here somewhere. Pair of ones, these are the navy metallics. They're an 8.5, which unfortunately does not fit. Luckily though, I have a lot of great places to sell these, like my website, which a lot of you guys will be able to buy this stuff. Blazendary.com. We'll be throwing it in mystery boxes. We'll be listing it for sale. But we also have SneakerCon. A lot of my stuff is SneakerCon legit tagged. So make sure you guys list your pairs on sneakercon.com. It's a great time to be selling shoes. The market is booming right now. All right, we got some Supreme Vans, blue checkered, some laser ones, which they don't fit me, otherwise I'd keep them. We got a couple empty boxes of Off-White. Pairs are around here somewhere. 8.5 Zoom Fly, 8.5 Vapor Max, they don't fit. The Supreme Camo 5s. I love Supreme and I love the Air Jordan 5, but my goodness, am I not gonna wear this one. Right here we have the Air Force 1 Low Off-Whites. Now, if anybody's wondering, Off-Whites, these at least run a little bit small. These just don't work for me anymore. They're an 8.5. So what do we got? We got an Air Jordan 1 Fearless. I think these have done well in resale price, which is why I'm gonna go ahead and sell them. I'd rather not wear them like 6 times than get like however much cash I can get for them. And I think the Fearless stuff is pretty cool. I do have 1 or 2 pairs from this drop that I've decided to keep, but this is not one of them. This box right here I mistook. Instead of it being selling, it's actually storage, but something from the storage unit. I want to show you guys a really cool pair of custom sneakers. This has all my old YouTube thumbnails on it. So this was made by someone and it was given to me at a sneaker event. So let's see, we got an Air Jordan 4 that does not fit me, the cool gray. Here we got another Fearless Jordan 1 that we're selling. It's not my style, the all 3M. We have an Off-White hoodie, which is not wearing as much Off-White as I used to. Right here we have some Supreme Air Forces, which are an 8.5, so they're not gonna fit. And these Levi 4s, which I've stated earlier, denim and gum bottoms, just not my thing. Here's the other colorway for the Supreme Air Forces. A Travis Scott basketball that needs to be pumped up. The Air Jordan Cherry 12. I only wore these once, but I could really get a lot of money for them because I don't want Jordan to retro them, and then the price of these goes down. I'd rather just buy the retro, which I feel like is inevitable since they're releasing a lot of old colorways at the moment. Gym Red ones. I'm so sad to see these go. But you guys will see the size label. Not my favorite thing to look at, and I don't really want to talk about it because these Gym Reds, I'm really upset they're leaving the collection. I've had them for so many years. My friend Max put me onto them. They're a Europe-only release. This is another 8.5, but I was never going to wear these anyways, so might as well sell them, right? Shout out to Carolina, but I'm not a huge Air Jordan 6 guy. I'm going to go ahead and get rid of these as well. And then just a random Supreme assortment, a teal duffel bag, and a shirt that I think is low-key pretty uncomfortable when I tried it on because it's got such a cool like New York design to it. Then we got this Supreme Pipeline jacket, which I wore on the vlog the other day. Got a couple of brand new Supreme items, so all y'all shirt, a jellyfish tee, and the Ghost Rider raglan, a Chrome Champion Supreme crew neck, an Off-White jacket, and lastly from this box, a Varsity Supreme jacket. We got some Travis Scott Jumpman collab in this box. I've reviewed it as a whole video. Not gonna spend too much time on it. Supreme shirt, the Supreme PCL Vans. Most of the stuff I had in my closet tour video. This box in particular, I showed me packing up. So you can go ahead and watch that if you wanna see this box in particular. But we got some storage unit stuff coming up next, which you guys haven't seen in years. These boxes belonged in my unit, which I haven't touched or seen these pairs in a while. They could be Garbo, they could be fire. So let's go ahead and check it out. This is like technically one of the biggest haul videos on the channel, but it's just a conglomeration haul. So hope you guys are enjoying it so far. If you are, definitely leave a like. I know a lot of you guys have been waiting to see this stuff. Yeezy Butters. Not my favorite Yeezy. These really cool Air Maxes, which actually went up in value significantly. So, oh, why would I have these? The Yeezy Combat Boots. Some NMDs, which we've seen the pattern of me just continually selling Adidas. Some Air Jordan 3s that are not an original colorway that don't fit me. We got these Air Forces that I got in a challenge video a while back, but just sometimes just put them in storage and now I guess I'll sell them. These are some really cool Astro World customs made by someone named Sophie. So shout out to Sophie Sophs. A pair of Supreme Spectrums, which I've actually sold a couple of these on my store already. Well, this is actually a purchase I regret. The Nike Humara Trail Runners, I don't know why I thought I'd wear them, but every time I tried to put them on, every time I tried to wear an outfit with them, for whatever reason, they were just so hideous and the color was so off, it never worked out. Wow, I have not seen these in so long, my Adidas Superstars. Up next, this one looks like it's got some good Yeezys. Right here, looks like we have the white stripe Yeezys, which I think are nearing $1,000 because these were one of the most limited Yeezys ever produced. The frozen yellow PP 350s. Gosh, how many pairs of zebras do I have? Another pair of zebras. Insanely crispy. My camera can't even pick it up. Insanely crispy Ultra Boost 1.0s. Have you guys seen a pair of 1.0s this crispy? Mine are just trashed. I know that. Oh, these are the samples. I actually have a sample pair of Adidas Ultra Boost. I got these from someone for like 240 bucks. Got these from someone for like 240 bucks. Red bottom. I don't know. I just got them for super cheap. They got like cheetah spikes on them. We have the Adidas Pharrells, which just, I mean, too many colors. I don't know, not my thing. Another pair of DS Cream Whites. Very nice pair of sneakers right here. Just can't get enough. And then just an assortment of random shoes at the bottom here. This right here was another box I packed in my closet tour when I said that I'd be doing a video like this. So make sure you watch the closet tour to see what this box contained. If you don't remember, it was the box that I put these in. These really cool Air Forces. So I showed it on the video. All right, well, we found the Supreme SBs. So, I mean, guys, holy crap, this is a lot of stuff. And don't forget, it's just the stuff that came out of my closet. Like, I have a whole inventory for what I'm selling on its own, but this is just stuff I found. Yeah, I think I like tripled up on these by accident. I kept thinking I didn't get them, but then I realized my friend got me them. I bought them from someone, and I did get a pair from retail. These are some Air Max 90s. I found them at the store. I thought they were cool. I just never ended up wearing them. Not a fan of the Galaxy print anymore. All right, we got some Toro Fours. Wow, I cannot believe these things have shot up in price. I don't get the same love out of them that I used to get, so. We also have the Galaxy Nike rookies, and I've decided to sell the Cause 4s, not only because they are an 8.5, but just the prices on them. Can they get any higher? You guys let me know in the comment section below. Just have some dead stock Supreme Queen tees and the black leather Supreme and Nike duffel. This thing had a really expensive retail price. I don't know, I'm not gonna use it because it was so expensive. We'll let somebody else spend a lot of money on it and let them use it. The Lacoste Supreme pants, which did not do very good over the long term. Oh, one of the last boxes. Oh, this one does not have a lot of stuff, but I'm looking at that last one. That one is a storage unit golden. Like, that is a golden storage unit box. So, gonna be selling the Orlando dead stock OG 10s. They do have the original box, so I think it just might be cool to have them listed on my site. Maybe if one of you guys really like them, you can add them to your collection. Yeah, and the only other thing in this box, we got a pair of light bone ones and another pair. Just this is the Sports Illustrated. Maybe they did good over time. This right here, guys, is a box of brand new, pretty much brand new, Supreme. Let's get it open and close out the video. All right, guys, so probably not gonna sell them. Right here, we have the Ghost Rider Supreme Banson leather set. I don't know if the resale is good or bad. At first, it wasn't very good, so I was able to scoop another set for under retail. Not only do we have the jacket, but we also have the black leather pants as well, brand new. Now, for a video, I decided to wear the white jacket. If I get a motorcycle one day, you can best believe I'm gonna bust this one out, especially because I already wore it. And then right here, we have the pants for the jacket. Coming up, we also have the Supreme North Face camo pants, a Scream tee that does not fit me, Supreme, a half split Supreme crew neck, another Supreme piece. Oh, my mom got me this one years ago. This was like my first Supreme piece. She got it for me for Christmas, so shout out to my mom. I'm gonna hold on to this one. The split camo sweatpants, and wow, this one is sick. I remember I went to London and I got the track jacket, the dragon and pantsuit. It was insane, so that was just an awesome day in London. And I wanna show you some of the stuff that did not make the boxes because I took them out of the boxes when I moved in. So let me show you. Gotta save the best for last, am I right? Screen printed box logo hoodie and a CDG Supreme t-shirt with the tag actually still on it on the top right there. I already unboxed these. I did not feel comfortable leaving them in a box. And a supposedly signed pair of Kobe 2 Preludes from Travis Scott. So let's see, that's the signature. Maybe some of you guys out there can verify that. The rest of the stuff that was not in these storage unit boxes or in my closet, which holy is all pretty much right here. So you guys can see some of the boxes. We've reviewed most of this stuff. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. It really means the world. And I'll catch you guys with another vlog very soon. It's your boy Blazendary signing out. Stay positive and peace out.